Hey guys, DJ here at the ADU Pro at our project on 2nd Street in San Dimas. And like I always say before every video, I guess it's a new trademark for me. A lot has happened since our last video. We're doing the fine tuning on the inside. The cabinets are all installed. Hang on a second here. Let me slowly turn. Here we go. Cabinets are all installed. Our stone is installed. Eddie's got his stuff all over here so you can't really see it, but I'll move it out of your way. So we got the white quartz with a nice gray striation throughout the whole thing. Sinks in, we got the faucet in, garbage disposal. The electrician was here today, or he's still here today. They're having lunch because it's noon and it's making me hungry because it smells good. All our outlets are in, they still got to put the lights in. Bathroom is pretty much done, this fine tuning. We got to put the trim in. All the tile is in. We opted to put the tile in on a waterfall. All we got to do is put a mirror in here. Bedroom is done. Now, to get to the holdup on this whole ADU, and the reason it's getting slow. Thank you, Mr. Edison. Southern California Edison. We have been in planning at the meter spot now for not 1, but 2 months. Edison updated their system. Now, instead of like in the past 20 years, you'd call up, say, hey, Mr. Edison Planner, we need a meter spot. And you go, okay, I'll be out there in a few days and put a sticker up. Not anymore. Nobody you can call. Now, what we have to do is go online and submit online and send them pictures and send them forms. An overabundance of paperwork. They got rid of guys going out in the field and looking at stuff. So what we have here is all our wires that come from the ADU because we don't know what panel's going on there yet. And hang on a second here, let me turn around. You see that wire that goes all the way to the front of this property, which is about 150 feet. And that's where the existing panel is. Now it only makes sense because we've done a lot of these, that instead of the main line going from over there all the way across this other person's property, that it goes from here, goes from here right over to this corner to our ADU, and then this conduit goes underneath all the way back to the panel on the main residence. So that's what we're proposing, but we can't get an answer. And until we get an answer, I don't know if our double meter panel, because this particular ADU is not going to share power. It's going to have its own meter. So either the double meter panel goes on the ADU here and we put a sub panel to feed the ADU, and then we back feed underground to the main residence, and then there's a sub panel on the main residence. Or, which doesn't make sense, the double meter panel will go on to the main residence, and that big long line is going to go across, and then it'll get back feed to the sub panel here. But Edison's got to tell us what to do. We've been waiting for 2 months again for Edison to tell us what to do, and it's very frustrating. Another frustrating part of our process of building ADUs, because this is not the only project that we've had in planning for multiple weeks with no answers, and it holds up projects. So this is going to be a long, drawn out video, longer than normal, but any questions about Edison, complain. I'm not going to listen, but complain, because you're probably having the same problem as we are. DM us at the link below with any questions. We love your likes. We love your comments. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us some more likes. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.